Hey everyone, Dan Oddie here. Today, we're going to show you how to use our drill guide for the Fox body rear suspension lower links. The intent of this drill guide is to give you extra adjustability in your lower links. That way, if you're lowering the car, you can maintain your instant center, and you also have the adjustment for drag racing or autocrossing your Fox body. Raise and support the vehicle with jack stands under the frame and the rear axle. Remove the rear exhaust system. Remove the clamps holding the parking brake cables to the bottom of the frame rail. Remove the lower link from the factory link pocket. Only remove one of the lower links at a time. Place the drill fixture into the slotted hole on the inboard side of the frame rail. You may need to clearance the tool as needed due to factory misalignment. Place the M12 lower link bolt that was removed into the center hole of the fixture. Tighten the fixture into place using your lower link M12 nut and washer. Make sure the fixture is perpendicular to the bottom side of the frame rail using a level. Use a 31/64 drill bit and spot drill a center location on the link pocket using the bottom hole in the fixture. Then, use a 1/4" drill bit and drill a pilot hole through the inboard side of the link pocket, leaving the fixture in place. Use a final drill size of 31/64 to drill out the bottom link hole on the inboard side of the lower link pocket. Repeat the same procedure for the top hole in the drill fixture. Remove the drill fixture from the lower link pocket. Install the drill fixture into the lower link pocket where the link was installed. Due to vehicle variation, you may need to modify or grind only one side of the fixture so it fits into the pocket. Use a drift to line up the center hole of the drill fixture with the factory lower link hole. Install the M12 lower link bolt through the factory lower link hole and center hole in the drill fixture. Use a drift to align the inboard lower link hole that was just drilled with the bottom hole in the drill fixture. Tighten the M12 hardware to keep the drill fixture from moving. Place the drift in the top hole of the drill fixture. Drill the outboard side of the link pocket using the bottom hole in the drill fixture using a 31/64 drill bit. Use cutting fluid and slowly drill through the link pocket. Due to vehicle variation and the drill bit being used, you may need to clearance the frame rail slot to allow your drill chuck to go deep enough to drill the second hole. Place the drift in the bottom link hole and repeat the same procedure for the top hole in the fixture. Remove the drill fixture from the lower link pocket. Place the M12 flange bolt through the inboard side of the top hole in the lower link pocket. Scribe the top of the flanged head onto the link pocket. Grind away the frame rail section using the scribed line for a reference. Remove this layer of sheet metal so the head of the bolt will sit flush against the link pocket. Reinstall the lower link into the pocket using the link hole of your choice. Repeat this procedure for the other side of the vehicle. Torque the lower link bolts to the factory recommended settings of your aftermarket lower link. Reinstall the park brake cable clamps back into the frame rail and tighten. Thanks for watching another installation video. If you have any questions, please call us at 704-662-3272, or you can send us email at sales@detroitspeed.com. You can also Visit our website at DetroitSpeed.com or any of our social media outlets.